This problem from area of a plane curve, and the problem is the area bounded by y this is equal to x cube and y this is equal to 3x square is given by 4 options here. We have to find the correct option. We first try to draw, or we first try to find out the intersection between two curves, okay, to integrate in the proper range. So to get the intersection of these two curves, we equate to equal value of y, that is x cube, this is equal to 3x square. So we get clearly this is x square into x minus 3, this is equal to 0, that is x equal to 0 and x equal to 3. Okay, so it is clear that the curves are intersection at x equal to 0 and x equal to 3. We have only required the value of x, not required the value of y. Okay, now in between 0 and 3, if we draw two axes, x axis and y axis, this is y axis, this is x axis, this is 0, this is 3. In between 0 and 3, it is clear that 3x square is always greater than x cube. Okay, in between 0 3, right? And it is clear that this is a parabola. So the curve is given by x square equal to 4 by type, and this is clearly the parabola of the form this. This is the parabola. Okay, and let it be x equal to 3. And clearly, since x cube is less than 3x square, so the curve of y equal to x cube looks like that. This is in the lower side of 3x square, and then it goes to the upper of the parabola. Okay, so this curve is y equal to x cube and this curve is y equal to 3x square. So we have to find the area of the shaded region, okay, because we have to find the area bounded between two curves. So we must integrate x equal to 0 to 3. This is 0, this is x equal to 3, right? This is 3. So we must integrate between x equal to 0 to 3. We first integrate the upper curve. This is y dx, and here y this is equal to 3x square, because this area is given by the shaded portion like that. Okay, now we subtract x equal to 0 to 3 y dx. This is y, which is x cube, and this is the double shaded portion. So we get our required portion. This is the shaded portion. Okay, now putting the value of y and integrating, we get 3x square dx minus integration x cube dx. So we get this is 0 to 3, this is also 0 to 3. So 3 into x cube by 3, this is 0 to 3, and minus x to the power 4 by 4, this is 0 to 3 also. So this gives the value, this is 3 cube, that is 27, minus this is 3 to the power 4 by 4, this is 81 by 4. So we get this is 108 minus 81 by 4, this is 27 by 4 square unit. Okay, so area is given by 27 by 4 square unit. This is option number 8. Very easy problem. This is 8th standard problem of area. Okay, thank you for watching.